Fast, slow is the key. This last fall, I was coaching executives from Google, Facebook, Citibank, and even the CIA on their public speaking skills. It's been a great time, and one of the things we talk about that they enjoy the most is a thing called variation, actually. We talk about varying your speed. Usually we start telling people to slow down. Everybody talks too fast in their presentation, so we always strip it back, slow down. Then we tell them to be a little bit more variated in what they say and in how they say it. We tell them to variate their volume on good, important parts they can be, and then they can be soft. Contrast is what matters. So when you're speaking, even if you're a student or if you're an executive in a boardroom, variation, loud, soft, fast, slow, is the key to making an interesting presentation. So like, follow, agree, disagree down below.